The 831 series MCX Maxi 6 and the 832 series MCX Maxi 16 pluggable connectors from Wago have been designed with levers for tool-free connection of conductors. Their conductor size range, capacity and current ratings make them ideal for removable wire-to-wire connections in many restricted areas, in machines and cubicles, as well as for device connection. Applications include drives and controls, power supplies, over-voltage protection, EV charging columns, as well as battery storage systems and pluggable solar inverters. The single pole version with easy to operate lever is ideally suited for use as pluggable connection for PV and battery cables or for wiring of power cables in machinery.